Allison here. Today we are going to be installing the Rattletrap. Right now when we drive around in here it sounds like a tin can. So hopefully once we apply this self-adhesive sound dampening material, it'll start sounding a lot better in here. Okay, so we open the box and inside it comes with the self-adhesive Rattletrap material. It also comes with some instructions, a razor knife, the roller, and then that pretty cool sticker back there.
Hey everybody, so the first step is to remove the paneling, any necessary paneling. You want to put Rattletrap beneath, but as you can see, we have a ton of paneling that we can work on before doing that. So we're going to get to all this first. First step with that, once you do have the paneling removed, is to clean it with a residue-free cleaner like Windex. They recommend Windex. So we're going to wipe down all the surfaces. It's a pretty new van, so it doesn't really need much cleaning. But we're gonna give it a quick wipe down for any dust and debris that's on there, and then we'll get ready to start with the Rattletrap. So we'll see you then. So the first step in the process with the Rattletrap is we cut a little template for all that big panels we're gonna have to do, because they're all kind of the same size. And Allison's just using that template to mark it. We got a little plywood down, particle board down. There's a little barrier so we don't cut through the floor. And she's just cutting a bunch of slices of the Rattletrap that we'll just be putting up on the wall just like that. And we'll show you how we put those up in just a second. But yeah, that's kind of our first step, actually applying it. We got a little assembly line going. So Allison cut the templates, the pieces of Rattletrap out of the template. So the next step really is just removing the paper off the back. Trying not to touch it too much with your fingers because that will, keep it from sticking. But that's pretty much it right there. And then we're going to put it right in the middle of the panel. They only really recommend that it covers 25% each panel, so these aren't the exact same size. They're a little smaller, but that's perfectly fine. So we're just going to get it somewhere in the center of this panel here. And I'm going to press it down on the top there and continue down with my hand. And then they give you this, Allison likes this word, nifty little roller to make sure there's no bubbles underneath this. So it's really getting the best adhere to the panel as possible. So I'm just gonna roll that all, and this is pretty much it. I mean, this is not a hard process. They do recommend that it's over 50 degrees, I think, when you do this, or someone else said that online. But it's a little over 50 today. We left it outside in the sun for a little bit to make sure it was a little more malleable, and it seems to be sticking quite well. So I think we're pretty covered in this aspect. But yeah, it's just keeping this a little more solid than that tinning. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a little more solid there. That's it. We're going to repeat this process over and over and over and over again until we cover most of the empty panels in the van. We'll show you what it looks like in a bit. Hey everybody, so we're right in the middle of the process right now, putting on the Rattletrap, and we wanted to take a quick second to show you guys why we're doing this and what it used to sound like and what it sounds like now. So if you come a little closer, we'll show you what it sounds like up here where we don't have any Rattletrap. It's like loud and tinny and echoey, and then if you come down here where we do have it, it's very solid. So that kind of just like it says, dampens the sound of the tin. A lot of people think this is soundproofing. It's not soundproofing. It's just dampening the sound of the tinny sound of the van. We're not soundproofing anything. We can still hear everything that's going on the outside. That'll help a little bit when we do insulation and walls, but this is just getting us from this to this. And we got a lot more to go, so we'll keep going and we'll show you guys it in a little bit.
Okay, that's a wrap for today. Out of the 50 square feet that we ordered, this is all that we have left. We got all the panels down below, up here on the roof. We got the wheel wells, very good. Those could be a problem, so we wanted to make sure that we covered a lot of that up. We are gonna put a link to this material so you can see exactly what we did order. We just got it off of Amazon. And if you come up here, we're just going to order 25 more square feet. We're going to take off this felt piece here, and we're going to cover that. We're going to cover underneath the seats, and then also the door panels for the sliding door, and then the rear doors back there. Thanks for watching.